Good morning, dear students. Today we see the similarity and right angle triangle. The theorem first on that topic is, in a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. Okay, this is the statement. Now to we see the proof. This is the figure triangle ABC. And what is the statement of the theorem? In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and BD is the altitude on hypotenuse. Means here AC is the hypotenuse. Then the two triangle form are similar to the original triangle and to each other. ओके, इथे तुम्ही अल्टिट्यूड ड्रॉ केल्याने, बीडी अल्टिट्यूड ड्रॉ केल्याने हायपोटेनस एसी वर तुम्हाला दोन सिमिलर ट्रायंगल मिळतील. फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल मिळेल, तुम्हाला दोन ट्रायंगल्स मिळतील आणि ते ट्रायंगल्स तुम्हाला काय दाखवायचे? सिमिलर. हा तुमचा ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल आहे. ट्रायंगल ए बी सी इज युअर ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल, अँड इफ वी ड्रॉ द अल्टिट्यूड ऑन हायपोटेनस एसी, देन वी get two new triangle. The first triangle is triangle ABD and second triangle is triangle BDC. And here to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. These two new triangles is similar to original triangle and also similar to each other. Means to here to again show that triangle ABD is similar to triangle BDC. Okay. Now the given is, in triangle ABC, here in triangle ABC, measurement of angle, here angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Next, segment BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC, means segment AC. Okay. And ADC, इसका मीनिंग है D is lies between A and C. नेक्स्ट, here to prove, आपको क्या प्रूव करना है? अल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ करने की वजह से आपको टू न्यू ट्रायंगल मिले और सिमिलर दिखाने. तो ट्रायंगल फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल इज ट्रायंगल ए बी डी और ए डी बी. ट्रायंगल ए डी बी is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is your original triangle. Next, triangle, again second triangle is triangle BDC. Triangle BDC is similar to again original triangle ABC. Or this new two triangle means triangle ADB and triangle BDC are similar to each other. Means triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Triangle BDC. Okay. Now proof. First to prove, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC. In triangle ADB and triangle ABC, means triangle ADB, this first triangle, and original triangle ABC. Here, angle DAB and angle BAC, these two angles are common. Angle A is the common angle of both the triangle, means triangle ABC and triangle ADB ka angle A is the common angle, and here measurement of angle D is 90 degree and also angle B is 90 degree. Means which angle? Angle ADB is 90 degree and angle ABC is 90 degree. This is given. Therefore, by AA test, these two triangles are similar. Okay. Therefore, writing in triangle ADB and triangle ABC, angle DAB is congruent to angle BAC. Here, angle DAB means angle A, and here also angle ABC. Angle BAC. Angle A is common angle, and angle ADB is congruent to angle ABC because each measure is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by AA test. And give the number first. Similarly, we can prove triangle BDC and triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Now see the figure. To prove here, triangle BDC and triangle ABC, similar triangle prove करना है आपको. Okay, in this two triangle BDC and triangle ABC, which angle is common angle? Here angle C means angle BCD and angle ACB. Angle C is common angle again, and measurement of angle D is 90 degree and angle B is also 90 degree, means angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and angle BDC is also 90 degree, and again by AA test these two triangles are similar. Therefore prove triangle BDC and triangle ABC. In triangle BDC and triangle ABC, angle BCD is congruent to angle ACB. What is the reason? Common angle. Angle BDC is congruent to angle ABC. What is the reason? Each is 90 degree. Therefore by AA test, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, and give the number second. From first and second, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC by using transitivity property. Suppose triangle ADB is the first triangle, triangle ABC is second triangle, and triangle BDC is third triangle. Here triangle ADB is first triangle, triangle ABC is second triangle, and triangle BDC is third triangle. Then what is the property of transitivity? If first triangle is similar to second triangle similar to third triangle, then obviously first triangle is similar to third triangle. Here first, what is the first? Suppose ADB is first triangle and ABC is second triangle. Here first triangle is similar to second triangle, and what is the second? Triangle BDC is third triangle. Here triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, means triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC also, and therefore from first and second, what is? Therefore from first and second, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC, and give the number third. From first, second and third, triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC, and which property? Transitivity property. Okay. Statement. Theorem of geometric mean का statement है, in a right angle triangle the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. First upon we see the geometric mean. Suppose A, B and C are in the number in proportion. Therefore line in proportion. Therefore A upon B is equal to B upon C. A upon B is equal to B upon C. Cross multiplication, A into C is equal to B into B means B square. That is B square is equal to A into C. Therefore B is called as the geometric mean of A and C. Proof. Given that here triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Therefore angle PQR is equal to 90 degree, and here segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Therefore, and to prove here QS is the geometric mean of PS and SR. That is QS square is equal to product of PS and SR. Now proof is, in last theorem we see similarity of right triangles, means QS is perpendicular to segment hypotenuse PR. Segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Therefore we get two new triangle. First triangle is triangle PQS and second triangle is triangle SQR. Therefore here triangle QSR is similar to triangle PSQ. Triangle QSR is similar to triangle PSQ or PQS. Okay, therefore write triangle QSR is similar to triangle PSQ by using which theorem? Similarity of right triangle. Similarity of right triangle. Okay. These two triangles are similar, therefore their sides are in proportion. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore take sides QS. Means QS upon PS is equal to SR upon SQ. QS upon PS. These two are here. QS and PS are corresponding side, and next SR and SQ are corresponding sides. Here SQ means QS. Again write QS upon PS is equal to SR upon QS. Cross multiplication QS into QS, we get QS square is equal to PS into SR. And आपको यही प्रूव करना है QS square is equal to PS into SR. That is segment QS is the geometric mean of segment PS and SR. Now we see the examples on theorem. Example number first. In a figure, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. Segment NQ is perpendicular. Segment NQ is perpendicular to segment MP. Measurement of MQ is equal to 9. Measurement of QP is equal to 4. Find NQ. Okay, this is the figure. Here triangle MNP, measurement of angle MNP. Angle MNP is equal to 90 degree. This is the right angle triangle, and MQ is equal to 9. QP is equal to 4. And here to find the NQ. Here segment NQ is perpendicular to hypotenuse MP. Therefore, by using theorem of geometric mean, here NQ is the geometric mean of segment MQ and segment QP. Therefore, solution given in a triangle MNP, this triangle MNP, angle MNP is equal to 90 degree and segment NQ is perpendicular to hypotenuse MP. Here MP is the hypotenuse, and therefore NQ square is equal to, NQ is the hypotenuse, therefore NQ is the segment perpendicular to hypotenuse MP. Therefore NQ square is divided into hypotenuse divide किया है M product of MQ into QP. Therefore by substituting the value, NQ square is equal to value of MQ is 9, value of QP is 4. Therefore 9 into 4. NQ square is equal to MQ into QP. NQ square is equal to value of MQ is 9, value of QP is 4. 9 into 4, 36. NQ square is equal to 36. Therefore, taking square root on both sides, we get NQ is equal to 6 units. And this is your answer. Here, using geometric mean theorem. Theorem of geometric mean. Okay. Example for practice. This is the figure. First example. In figure, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Segment QN is perpendicular to segment PR. PN is equal to 9. NR is equal to 25. Find QN. Here to find the QN. Now, example number second. In adjoining figure, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Segment BD is perpendicular to segment AC. AD is equal to 16. DC is equal to 4. Find BD. Here, segment BD is perpendicular to segment AC, and to find length of BD. Okay. Thank you.